Negation in Italian changes the meaning of a phrase to show an absence, contradiction, or denial. Negation nullifies words and sentences and shows they're false by adding a negative. In Italian, negation is systematic and simple, using the word non, which is equivalent to the English not. The basic rule is that non always goes directly before conjugated verbs, which applies to all tenses, all moods, and regular and irregular verbs, like in the following phrases. Mangio, non mangio. È vero, non è vero. When it comes to compound tenses, it's a topic that needs a separate video. But in this video, negation will be simple, because non comes before auxiliary verbs. Ho capito. Non ho capito. When negating an infinitive, gerund, or participle, non comes directly before them. Mangiare. Non mangiare. In common contexts, we can see sentences like voglio mangiare, non voglio mangiare, non fumare. A key rule to remember is that Italian requires double negation when negative words appear together. This is different from English because Italian is more grammatical, having common negative words that you can see in this chart, along with two negative structures. If the negative word comes after the verb, we have to keep non. Non vedo niente. Non mangio più carne. However, non will drop if the negative word comes before the verb, like niente funziona. Nessuno è arrivato. Mai dire mai. When it comes to questions, Italian does not change word order to form negative questions, because intonation is sufficient. Vai a casa? Non vai a casa? When object pronouns are involved, non still comes before the verb. Lo so. Non lo so. At last, Italian can make a distinction between total negation and partial negation, like non capisco niente. Still, limited negation can be said using special negative phrases, like non capisco tutto. Non è sempre facile. Even so, spoken Italian often reinforces negation for emphasis, which is known as colloquial negation. Non ho visto niente, proprio niente. Non me ne importa niente. You can also hear mica, even though it's informal, but common. Non è mica vero. Overall, this is how negation fully works in Italian. Remember to place non correctly along with double negation and special negative words.